So if somebody's breathing,
Oh, that one up under the rock is staring over here.
There. Is that better for you?
Yeah.
The last one is with the lions. Eagle sable cats.
Sorry. Him. And him.
Her and him.
Whatever. We got them both. You'll notice he's watching over her.
Uh-huh.
And look what who's he watching?
Us.
Yep. The chimps will probably just sleep inside their play area. Probably. No more going for the chimps. Can't really get a good picture of them from that direction. You probably get a really good shot of them if you go that way. Ooh, chipmunk.
Wanna go pick up?
No. So a chipmunk.
Maybe my sister's for a little bit, but that's it.
To be honest with you, I got bored at Amanda's house in like 5 minutes.
Because you're not. I did too.
DC Andrews is not my thing. Hmm? Yes, you are. They're not outside. So he's just peeking in. Must be a full house in there.
oh, I'm so sorry.
No, you're
I
fine.
didn't know you were there. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
They're sleeping. Mm-hmm.
There, you see that one sitting right in front of you?
Yeah, the one chilling on the rock. There's a couple over back there.
There's one there, there's there.
Yeah. It's kind of sweaty.
I think where it was, girl. Oh, that one's right there.
Over there.
Yeah, I know. The one there.
You were the first
There's
one?
one in the
Yeah.
back over there. There's one in the back over there.
Oh. When they get around to it, they put the top and feed the monkeys.
Feed the monkeys, huh? Yeah. That's coming up here.
We'll go to the reptile area. Don't forget, like August 28th, honey,
Yeah.
we're going to Mission Adventures with Dom and Stella. And
Okay.
Lorelai can go with us.
Okay. Hello. Oh. Thank you.
Don't. I would have ripped your arm off.
You would not rip my arm off. Huh?
Really well.
The hula hoop? You got the hips
Okay,
for it.
wait, right. Not full on, but help me.
Still recording. They went in a flat break.
There's a little waterfall.
Yep. And the ground's wet, so break.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Last time I heard it was standing like a statue in the corner.
That's a Gila monster.
That's the iguana. Earl.
Are you sure?
Yes.
He's standing right over on the other side.
The turtle's right there in the box, Earl.
Well, not the turtle.
The two tortoises are in the box.
Are they?
Look.
Oh, okay. I believe you. Yep. Okay. Any monkeys on the inside?
No, they're outside because they can start getting their feeding.
Ah.
Like things.
Hopefully you get there in time.
What's she doing in here? Why don't you come over with me? Look at their like natural.
They're cute cats, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Underneath the wood there. Underneath that.
I don't like the kind
Hi, baby. Well, you are just so cute. I take you home in a heartbeat. But my sable would not like it.
That's where Sable came from, is that, wild cats like.
Look at the way the one in the back is like. Oh my gosh, she's adorable.
This is a little armadillo.
I think it's this tiny. Or this. So, are they cute?
Yeah.
He buried himself right here.
I can see him.
It's in the ball.
Yeah, it's a ball. I saw it.
I did see it switch earlier. I know, I saw it switch like.
There's your monkey.
Oh, they're in danger right here. For Amazon or the.
Yeah. Thanks for being a zookeeper.
Oh, thank you. Was it cute? Oh my god. Thank you.
I mean,
Oh, you said that? I just wasn't expecting you to say that.
where's the armadillo? That doesn't.
Oh, I saw that.
The armadillo's right in the corner around there. Yeah, it's buried in a little corner.
You see him? He's over here, this side.
Hi, guys.
Look at pyramids. That's
he's following
disgusting.
Check out the armadillo.
There are so many. Ew.
You were screaming. Oh, he's even closer now.
Well, hi there, cutie.
Yeah, I think they're going to oh my god.
Playing with the camera.
Huh?
Oh, nope. There's the one I played with my camera last time.
Oh, he was curious.
These guys played with my camera last time, honey.
I know they did.
Look at these monkeys.
Well, hi there.
No.
Don't track anything you put close to the glass. Just follow the camera.
What's the
All the attention to what you're looking at.
That looks so weird. Such good
If you got car keys, dangle them from the glass and chase car keys.
Really?
Oh, so torturous.
Oh my god.
That's so scary.
Nope.
You just like reach across the glass and go.
Look at you.
You're terrified.
He's terrified of what they
He likes the camera.
That's the one that messed with it last time we were here.
Reese's monkey.
That's the one that kept coming and chasing the camera last time.
Oh no! Oh, is that it? Is that that guy?
Snakes.
Oh, with the tortoise around the end? Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, the snakes. And the creepy crawlers. Getting in that one.
Right in the back.
Oh, yep.
My least favorite part.
The cockroaches and giant bugs.
They're back there.
See, you're past your least favorite part. And he's crawling in the water. He loves it up. He's hydrating.
That's a Gila monster.
Yep. So monstrous, isn't it?
Oh, this one's right there. Head looking right at me. It's moving.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. It looked at me. It's moving. Sounds like something out of a horror movie. Here's a
There's the
desert.
croc.
There's a big old lizard.
There's the croc.
That's not a croc. What's up, dude?
There's two of them in there.
How you doing?
You look like a damn statue.
He's tracking the camera though. Do we? Yeah. We're already aligned, lining up for it.